Hello, I'm Reverend George, aka Georgespratz, and I'm in town today to give you something very important on the best ways you can master the various forms of the pentatonic scale. One of the most interesting lessons to know as a guitarist is the key system. For instance, in the key of C, we have the C form, the A form, the J form, the E form, and then the D form of C. All these are various shapes of C. Do you understand me? All these are C. And just as we have grouped or categorized chords, shapes, and everything into 5 compartments, so scales are also grouped into 5 according to the Kate system. So the pentatonic scale is also grouped into 5. Yes. And the question has been asked so many times how people are able to flow with the pentatonic scale. It's simple. What is the pentatonic scale? It's made up of 5 notes. The major scale, for instance. Okay, this is the first shape of C, the C form. This is the A form, and then this is the G form. And the most common pentatonic shape is done in the G form, which is Do, La, So, Mi, Re, Do, La, So, Mi, Re, Do, La. That is very simple. I don't want to go too fast. I want to take my time and go very slowly. But in case you don't even see my fingers here, you can follow the notes as I show them on the neck diagram, and you will be good to go. My lessons are very simple and straightforward. I don't want to beat about the bush. I have various lessons here, and I do lessons almost every week. So in case you haven't subscribed to my channel, hey, it's a golden opportunity for you, because you are going to come back to tell me, hey man, thank you. Follow this channel if you haven't, and press on the notification bell so the moment we upload any new video, you don't miss it. And in case you are looking for a one-on-one studies or further studies after this lesson, hey, don't hesitate to give me a call. Pick the numbers on the screen, WhatsApp me, and let's do it. And whilst you're watching it, let me know where you are watching from. Let me know where on this continent you are watching from. It helps us to know where our audiences are. Okay, let's continue. The most common shape or the most common pentatonic form is in the G form, which is Do, La, So, Mi, Re, Do, La, So, Mi, Re, Do, La. There are 5 forms, but the best way to study them is to study one at a time. If you want to take all the 5, man, you will get confused. So study the first shape and go to the next one. I don't care where you start from, but I will recommend you start from the G form, which is the most common. So and whenever you're practicing, you have to make it musical, So when I'm practicing the G form, it works very well on either, because I'm in A minor. That's A minor pentatonic. La, do, re, mi, so, la, do, re, mi, so, la, do, la, so, mi, re, do, la, so, mi, re, do, la. So it works on A minor chord, and the A minor chord has a parent key, which is a C. A minor is a relative minor of key C. So that pentatonic scale works very well in either C major or A minor. And this is one important point you should know. So if I want to make it musical, how do I do it? down strokes of the pick all the time. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Because he lives. Because he lives. Today, the emphasis is how can I learn this in the G form and then in the A form? And that's why I have a little exercise for you to be able to master the pentatonic forms in G and in the G form and in the A form of C. So let's go slowly. Do, la, so, mi, re, do, la, so, mi, re, do, la, so, la, do, re, mi, so, la, do, re, mi, so, la, do. Did you see that? So playing with these two shapes, just playing with them. So this is a little exercise for you. Do it with a metronome if you have one, maybe from 1890. So let me go slowly. So I'm going to group them in six notes. So look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The first set. I start from do, and I'll start from a so, and I'll start from a re, I'll start from a la. Okay, when I'm descending in the A shape, in the A form, I'll start from a so, I'll start from a do, I'll start from a mi, I'll start from a la. These are the most important things to note. So the first one, do, la, so, mi, re, do. So that's the first one in 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then I go to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is it. Then I start the cycle. So the cycle can, repeat itself. So and you have to do it very slowly. He's Lord. He's Lord. be coming to show you how to make it a little bit advanced sometimes. These are very common in many songs. You hear things like this. All these are pentatonic techniques. As you advance, then you can continue with this. So do, mi, la, re, so, do, mi, la, re, so, do, mi, la, re, so, do, la, something. I'm Spratz. Pick the numbers on the screen and let's do a lesson. See you again and soon. Bye bye.